Good morning, dear children. We are doing mensuration chapter, 10th chapter about solids. Yesterday we discussed about these solids. In this 10th class, two 3D figures are combined. We have to find their areas and volumes. Suppose what are the two solids? What are the two 3D figures? Cone and hemisphere. Hemisphere, cone. Cone is surmounted on the hemisphere. It is a top type. And Joker's cap. Cone. This is cone. This is cone. This is hemisphere and cone. Combination of two solids. So in this yesterday I told you to learn all formulae given in page number 250 column and practice this formula. Cube, cuboid, like that. In this first exercise, given the problems, let us do this. First one, see page 254, exercise 10.1. Exercise 10.1, first problem, page 254. It is of course new book. You might have seen exercise 10.1. Page may be different in other books. First problem I will read now. A Joker's cap is in the form of a right circular cone whose base radius is 7 and height is 24. Find the area of the sheet required to make 10 such caps. See Joker's cap. A cap is in the form of cone. Form of cone. So you draw cone figure. In cone, this is the figure. This is slant, it is vertical height, it is slant height L, and this is radius. There are three measurements. Given r is equal to, first problem, r is equal to 7 centimeters, h is equal to 24 centimeters. Given that, find the area of the sheet required to make 10 such caps. One cap. So what we have to find? CSA of the cone. CSA of one cap is equal to pi r l, and CSA of 10 caps is equal to 10 into pi r l. Pi means 22 by 7, r means 7, l we have to find. L formula slant height. It is nothing but a right angle triangle. Vertical cross section of the cone. This is R, this is H, this is L. According to Pythagoras theorem, L squared is equal to sine squared plus sine squared. So L squared, R squared is 7 squared, H squared is 24 squared. 49 plus 576. So this is 625. So therefore L is equal to under root of 625, that is 25 centimeters. Slant height. slant height L square. H is vertical height. Now simply substitute 10 into pi value 22/7, R value 7, L value 25. 7 7 cancel. 25 2s are 50, 55 and is 0. Cm square. So area of the sheet required for 10 cats is equal to 5500 area not cm square units. This is the first one. Note. First draw figure. Write the given measurements, given data, given R, H. We have to find L. Write the formula. In the formula there is L. L stands for slant height. Slant height is nothing but hypotenuse in the right angle triangle. L is in place of hypotenuse. So applying Pythagoras theorem, and this is the formula. We say this is the formula. Actually Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse squared is equal to side squared plus side squared. Hypotenuse is L squared. Side squared R squared, R squared, H squared. Values are given. Substitute. Find L first, then do substitute. First problem. And the second problem, this is first problem. Second I will tell you. A sports company was ordered to prepare 100 paper cylinders for packing shuttlecocks. The required dimensions of the cylinder are 35 centimeters length and its radius 7. Find the required area of thick paper sheet needed to make 100 cylinders. The first problem given about coal, the second problem given about cylinders. We have to pack shuttlecocks. You might have seen shuttlecocks are packed in a cylindrical paper box, paper thin, like this. Cylinder height shuttlecocks are packed in this. The measurements are given. Radius is 7, height 35. Height 35. H is equal to 35. Write 35 cm and radius R is equal to 7 centimeters. We have to make 100 cylinders. How much paper is needed to make? So it is we need here TSA, total surface area. We have to prepare CSA, round and base circle and roof top lid. Lid also is circular shape. So we need TSA. TSA of the TSA, total surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r into H plus R. Now substitute the values. This is one cylinder, 100 cylinders. TSA of, you write here R is equal to 7, H is equal to 35. Given data, write in the box. You will get half mark for it. Now, TSA of 100 cylinders. 100 cylinders. 100 cylinders is equal to 100 into 2 pi r into x plus r. Now substitute 100 into 2 into 22 by 7, r is 7, h is 35 and r is 7. 7 7 cancel, 2200 into 42. Now multiply 42 into 20. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 4 12 9, and 9 2 4, 2 zeros cm square. This much sheet required. TSA of 100 cylinders. This is the second problem. Note down. Too much pain, not too. We need to get 2 into 2 into 2, 100 into 100 into 2 into 22 by 7 into r7 into h 35 r7 multiply 7 7 cancel, 4400 into 42 multiply 42 into 44, 4 to 8 60, 8 to 60, 4 8 1, 1848, 1848 2 zeros cm square, like this. Third problem. Find the volume of white circular cone with radius and height 7. Third problem asking about cone. Draw figure cone. In the cone, radius, height, slant height, 3 measurements. Here given r is equal to 7 centimeters or 6 centimeters, h is equal to 7 centimeters. Right in box. In this the third problem asking volume of the cone. Volume of the cone. Volume of the cone is equal to formula 1 by 3 pi r square h. Substitute the value 1 by 3 pi 22 by 7 r 6 into 6 h value 7. Cancel 7 7 cancel, 3 1s are 3 2s are. Now 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 26 cm cube, like this. Volume cube, units of volume. This is third problem. Third problem is about cone. Cubic centimeters. Okay, next 4. The lateral surface area of the cylinder is equal to CSA of the cone. 4. CSA of the cone cylinder is equal to given CSA of the cone CSA of the cone. This is divided. If the bases are same, find the ratio of heights and the slant height of the cone. Yes. Here radius are equal. Bases are equal. Bases are equal in area. Equal in area. Okay, that is radius is equal. Cylinder, draw cylinder and one cone. CSA. This is RH. CSA of cylinder and is equal to cone. R equal, this is H, this is F. CSA of cone. The formula 2 pi r h is equal to pi r l. The radius is equal. Pi r cancel. 2h is equal to l. And he is asking find the ratio of height of the cylinder to the slant height. Height ratio. Ratio of height and slant height. And slant height. L is slant height. Is equal to h by L is equal to 1 by 2. And again, if you cross multiply, you will get us above equation. 1L is equal to 2H. Now ratio H is to L is equal to 1 is to 2. Like this. This is the ratio. Hello? Hello? Amma? చెప్పండి అమ్మా. మెన్సురేషన్ 10th చాప్టర్. అవును, అదే అందరి పెడుతురు, నాకు పెట్టలేదమ్మా. వాళ్ళు టీచర్స్కి కనపడుతుంది, నాకు కనపడదు. మళ్ళీ మీది ఎక్కువ తీసుకుంటున్నాను. ఓకే ఓకే, అది నేను చూసినా కనపడదు. ఓకే. Fifth problem. A self-help group wants to manufacture Joker's cap of 3 cm radius and 4 cm height. If the available paper is 1000 cm square, then how many caps can be manufactured from the paper sheet? Okay. The company wants to prepare caps, Joker's caps, that is a cone shape. See, immediately you draw figure. Question number 5. Draw cone. Each cone is in the Joker's cap. Given radius is equal to 3, height 4. Each height 4, h is equal to 4. Here 4 centimeters. And you also write in the box R is equal to 3 centimeters, H is equal to 4 centimeters. See, we have this paper, rectangular sheet paper, 1000 centimeters square area of the rectangle. This sheet we have. How many cones will be prepared? So let us find here CSA, one CSA of one cap, and how many caps can be made from this sheet of paper leaves. We have to divide. Now see, CSA of one cap is equal to pi RL formula. We have to find L. L is there. So side use find here L. L squared is equal to R squared plus H squared. R squared is 3 squared. H squared is 4 squared. So 9 plus 16, 25. So we want L. Therefore, L is equal to under root 25, that is 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. So now you simply substitute 22 by 7 into radius 3, L 5. It is not cancelled, multiply. 15, 330 by 7, cm squared. Now number of caps available from 1000 cm squared area from paper, cm squared paper is equal to 1000 by 330 by 7. 1000 into 7 by 330. Cancel. 700 is divided by 33. So do rough work. Divide 700 by 30. 33 2 the 66. 10 minus 6 4 0 and 1 33. So some piece of paper remains, but we get whole number as 21. So we get 21 caps. We may get 21 caps area. So this is equal to 21 caps. Some remainder left, leave it. Some waste goes to left. This is the problem. 6. A cylinder and cone have bases of equal radii of heights, so that their volumes are in the ratio. Sixth problem. Radius. A cylinder and cone have equal bases and heights. Equal bases of equal radii and equal heights Find the ratio of the volumes or HN. Here base area R I, asking area in volumes. Here the relation between cone and cylinder. Cylinder is actually 3 times volume of the cylinder is equal to 3 times the volume of cone. Practically they measured with the results. Our ancient mathematics proved that volume of the cone is nothing but 1/3 of the volume of the cylinder. 1/3, 3 times volumes. Now volume of ratio of volumes of cylinder and cone is equal to pi r square h. Here this is 1/3 pi r square h. In the problem given, both the radius and heights are equal. Now see, pi cancel, r square cancel, h cancel. They are completely cancelled, means there remains 1. Here remains 1/3. So ratio is 3:1. This is 3:1. The shape of a solid iron rod, height 11, base radius 7. Find the total volume of 15 such rods. So, 7th one, cylindrical rods. Read the problem once, twice, and this is the problem about cylindrical rods. Cylindrical rod of diameter 7, height 11 centimeters, h is equal to 11 centimeters, and the diameter d is equal to 7 centimeters. Right here in the box, write diameter 7 centimeters and h is equal to 11 centimeters. Don't forget given data, write the given data. And this is height. He is asking volume of 50 rods, cylindrical rods. Volume of one rod. Volume of one rod is equal to pi r square h, and the volume of 50 rods, 5 rods is equal to 50 into pi r square h. 50 into 22/7 into the radius given, 7/2 into 7/2 h level. Now multiply. 7 cancel, 2 1s are 2 11s are, and 2 1s are 2 25. Multiply. 11 into 7 into 11, 121 into 7, 121 into 7, 7 into 25, 175, 25 7s are 125, 175. Multiply. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 6, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 8. 1 2 1. So 5 7 11 1 1. CMQ. So this much 21175 CMQ. This much enough. Volumes of 50 rods, 50 into pi r square h. 21,175. Correct. A heap of rice is in the form of a cone diameter height. Find its volume. How much canvas is required? Next, hmm, 7/8. 8. A heap of rice is in the form of a cone. Or diameter 7. That is or diameter B is equal to 12 centimeters. R is equal to 6 centimeters. And height is equal to 12 centimeters. Find the canvas required to cover the heap. Canvas required. Canvas required to cover the heap is equal to pi r L. We have to find square height L. L square is equal to r square plus h square. R is 6 square, h is 8 square. 36 plus 64, that is 100. L is equal to under root 100, that is 10 centimeters. So pi 22/7 r. These are given in meters, right? Meters. Heap means rice heap means it is a big one. Measurements are in meters, right? Meters. R 6, L 10. So it is not divisible to multiply and divide by 7. 6 2s are 12, 13 0 by 7. Oh, this is highly L. Divide 1 is 0 by 7. 7 1s are 7, 62. 7 8s are 56, so 60. 7 8s are 56. 4 decimal 0, 7 5s are. So 188.5 square meter canvas required. Nearly. This much area of the canvas required to cover the heap of the rice. 88.4. Okay. And last problem in this exercise. Ninth problem. CSA of the cone and diameter given. What is the slant? CSA of the cone given 4070 cm square and the diameter given d is equal to 70 centimeters. Whenever diameter is given, we use the formula R. So R is equal to, immediately we can write 70 by 2, that is 35 centimeters. And slant height L is equal to how much? Given is CSA. Given CSA 4070. Formula cone. R H L. CSA of the cone is equal to pi R L. Pi means 22 by 7, radius given 35, and L we have to calculate, L we have to find. L is equal to, given 4070. 7 1 7 5. These input terms will go that side as by. Therefore, L is equal to 4070 by 22 into 7. 22 into 5. 11 2s are 11 3s are 33, 11 7s are 0. 5 2s are 10 cancel. So this is 37 centimeters. So slant height of the cone is equal to slant height of the cone is equal to slant height of the cone is equal to 37 centimeters. This is lost. Thank you. You do again practice 10.1 and example problems also given in exercise. Please do. First learn formula. Note down. Thank you. Practice it.